Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Before I get started, I just want to apologize for not making a video last week because I had some very serious family issues. My brother was in the hospital. My mom had to go all the way to Crumbs to go see him. My grandparents were here and my dad was out of town. It was crazy. But now I'm back, so I'm also going to be making something very, very special. Today I'm going to show you how I make Italian meatballs. Now some people have different ways to make them, but today I'm going to show you how I make them. But still, it is really delicious. So, let's get started. So get a good size bowl and put in about 1 pound of ground beef. And then you add, I got 2 eggs that I like with beaten. Down there, half a cup of breadcrumbs. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Put that in there. Then add some parsley flakes and put about like a tablespoon or so. And then for taste, I'm gonna add some salt. And pepper. And then you put your hands in there and mix them all together. Alright, that's mixed well. Let's get on to the next part. Let's get a good sized baking tray. Light them with some foil. I'm also gonna use some cooking spray to grease it. That way it won't stick. And then I'll wrap the meat about a teaspoon or a little bit over a teaspoon. Roll it into a bowl. And then place it on the baking tray. And then continue on until all the meatballs are nicely laid out. Now while you're doing this, you want to put it to oven it's better to use a convection oven about 325 degrees Fahrenheit. But if you don't, use a regular oven and put at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to continue boiling the meatballs and I'll be right back. Alright, beautiful. Now you put this in the oven for about 20 minutes. Then after 20 minutes, I'm going to take it out and turn them over and put them back in the oven for another 8 to 10 minutes. And then this should be done. Alright, these are done. Now I actually took them out when they were 3 minutes flat because I made them pretty small and I don't need to flip them over, but as you can see, they're absolutely beautiful. Now just leave them there for about 5 minutes and then put them on a plate and then serve with some sauce or whatever you want to put on there. And then you can eat. Yum. Now you can eat this afterwards or you can heat up a little bit of pasta sauce. I heat mine up in the microwave and then you're gonna pour it on top. Oh, yum, look at that. I can also sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on it, but I'm just gonna have it as it is. Now, It's time to taste it. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for Italian meatball, as you can see. Very tasty, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this. Oh man, delicious. So thank you so much for watching another recipe on my cooking channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.